So here we are discussing the Chlorophyceae class, and in that the order will be Volvocale and the genus is your Chlamydomonas. Talking about the Chlamydomonas, it is a unicellular freshwater algae and it is motile. Why it is motile? Because it consists of flagella. Flagella are 2 in number. Thus it is biflagellated. Its shape is ellipsoidal, or simply you can call it as a pear shape. Pear is a fruit, you know, it's shaped like. See, you can also see in this particular diagram, it is a pear-shaped structure. These are the 2 flagella present here. Okay. Now it has a very distinct feature, which is the presence of a cup-shaped chloroplast. There are many times questions asked that in which algae the cup-shaped chloroplast is present. So it is your Chlamydomonas. Now this chloroplast has single pyrenoid. Generally I'm saying, okay. But in case of C. reticulata, the chloroplast is without pyrenoid. That is, the pyrenoid is absent in C. reticulata's chloroplast. These are your pyrenoids, as you can see here. Or in this diagram also you can see the pyrenoids. Okay, and here is your cup-shaped chloroplast. Now, contractile vacuoles are also present. Here are your contractile vacuoles, above which your flagella are coming out. Another important feature is the presence of eye spot, which is also called as stigma. Now, this is here your eye spot. Now, what is eye spot? For this, let me take you. Now, this is your eye spot or stigma. Eye spot is a light-sensitive organelle which directs the movements of the cell. Okay, it has a lens and a photosensitive region and a pigmented plate. Now, it can be of different type on the basis of its location, right? Like if it is located in the chloroplast and has no association with flagella. This you can find in the Chlorophyceae class. Okay, so these are different type of eye spots or your stigmas. Okay. Now talking about the types of flagella, then the flagella are of 2 types, your whiplash type and your tinsel type. So whiplash flagella have smooth surface. You won't see any protrudings coming out from the flagella. But in tinsel, they are of different types. You can see extra outgrowths, which can be of antonymatic type, pentachromatic type and stereonymatic type. Okay, so when we talk about our Chlamydomonas, they have smooth surface flagella, that are the whiplash type of flagella. So, as it is written here as well, that flagella are of whiplash type. You can see also, there are no extra outgrowths present on the flagella. Now, there is an important feature which is also present in Chlamydomonas, which is your neuromotor apparatus. This is how the neuromotor apparatus looks like. See. This particular apparatus controls the movement of thallus in response to light and chemicals. Okay, it contains 2 basal granules which are called as blepharoplasts. Okay, then a transverse cytoplasmic fiber called paradesmos. This paradesmos, which you can see, is present, which connects the 2 blepharoplasts. These are your blepharoplasts and they are connected by this thread-like structure called paradesmos. Okay, there is also a rhizoplast present which connects this blepharoplast to the centrosome. You can see here, right? And these are its nucleolus and nucleus. As you know, it is again that your cup-shaped chloroplast. Okay. So this particular neuromotor apparatus, what does it do? It controls the movement of thallus in response to light and chemical. Talking about the reproduction, it is of both sexual and asexual type. Asexual reproduction takes place with the help of your zoospores. Okay, and aplanospores and hypnospores are also present, whereas your sexual reproduction takes place by isogamy, which is the most common one in this. However, some different species may have different way, but isogamy is the most common one here. You can see the life cycle here, your asexual part and your sexual life cycle part. Okay, asexual can be by zoospores, aplanospores, hypnospores, whereas palmilla stage also. This palmilla stage we will discuss when we will talk about the volvox. Now, coming about sexual reproduction, in this, as you can see, gametes are formed. Now the fusion can be iso, aniso, hetero. Now fertilization happen, zygote is formed, then meiosis takes place, and then again zoospores are formed. Okay, so these are your life cycles. Here is a grammatic version. Talking about the alteration of generation, here the haploid phase is dominant and the diploid phase is only by zygote. You can see in the diagram as well, only your zygote is diploid, 2x. Rest maximum are your haploids. Okay. Talking about this, it is C. coccifera. This particular one shows most advanced sexuality. So that's all about your Chlamydomonas. Next lecture will be on volvox. Thank you.